It's Judy the JAWS of Life. You are looking at and watching a little bit of the extended cut behind the scenes. This is Matt Maher doing his sound check, getting ready for the 3 p.m. concert. Yeah, he's checking out all of his guitars right now. A little while ago he was started heading off with the and everyone everyone sings amen. Yeah, they're doing lights and everything else. We've got the volunteers, we've got security everywhere here, and this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Watch the actuals when I upload them from the regular camera, okay?